It's the morning of August 13th, 2021, and rain from Tropical Storm Nicholas is starting here. Nothing too bad so far, but looks like we will get a fairly good dose of rain from it. So you can kind of see the bayou in the dim light shining. It's risen a little bit. It's continuing to rain here. You can see the sun, but it's overcast. Fairly light rain right now. A little bit of wind. Still sort of the outer fringes here. Rain has slowed down, but the temperature has dropped considerably, in the low 70s or so now. But it's a little after 1 Monday. Tomorrow is supposed to be worse, so this is just sort of the outer fringes still. It's the evening of the 13th now. Definitely fully overcast, light rain, wind starting to pick up a little bit. Bayou's actually gone down a little bit since this morning, but we're just waiting to see what happens. It's about 10 p.m. on the 13th. Rain's starting up again. Wind's starting to pick up. I guess during the night it's sort of supposed to be the heaviest rain and wind. So won't be able to get very good footage, obviously, but we'll see what things are like in the morning, I reckon. It's getting windier. Of course, when I start filming, it calms down a little. They just announced Nicholas is a hurricane now, Category 1, a little after 10 p.m. on 13th of September, 2021. Power's out. It's about 3 a.m. on the 14th. It's pretty windy, raining a little bit. Power tried coming back on, but a couple times and out again. .30, power's out still. Office isn't closed, so going into work. It's not raining all that much, but it's been very windy out. You can see there's some decent sized branches down. Well, maybe you can't really see anything, but that's what's up. I've been out now. Seen a few more branches. Not too much flooding really or anything, but we'll see if there's anything worse. Looks like the complex across the way has power. I'm guessing there's spotty power here and there, but apparently 400,000 people in Houston are without power right now. Well, made it to work. Building still has power, so I guess that's one plus. There's a look over I-10. You can see some, looks like a fire truck. Looks probably a wreck down there, I'd have to guess. Flooding's not too bad, but it's really been the wind, power outages. Another siren coming somewhere. Huh. Must be pretty bad down there, whatever it is. That's 2 fire trucks and a Another ambulance or police car, I guess. Can't really tell what exactly is happening though. But it's supposed to keep raining, keep blowing all day. I'm gonna call my parents. They're supposed to be headed to DeRidder for a funeral for my aunt. And DeRidder gonna be getting a lot of rain and whatnot too, so rather unfortunate. There's another police car. That was a really big incident, whatever that is. Guessing a wreck, be my guess, but there's some blue sky up there. Still a little windy. No rain at the moment, but I'm sure more will come through. But worst of it's over here. Still no power though, and a lot of people still don't have power. You can see some tree limbs down. But yeah, it could have been worse, but was a lot of power outages. It's sort of been the main thing. I know further south in Harris County, Brazoria County and such, things are a bit worse. You know, I was thinking we have a lot of dead trees from the freeze, and I'm wondering if that's why there's so many power outages. All those dead trees coming down in the wind, you know, dead limbs, etc. Just an idea. Wonder if, you know, that had anything to do with it. Probably. So tell me your thoughts on Hurricane Nicholas.
Well, I mean, it's been a rough day, to be honest with you. It's unexpected power outage from 1 a.m. to, 4 p.m. You know, it's hot and no food, but these 4 words have gotten me through the day. No power, no problem. Yes.
Been rereading Dune, preparation for the upcoming release of the film. It's kind of a nice deluxe edition. The teal pages, some nice artwork. So there's a Shai Hulud. Have any thoughts on the upcoming Dune film? Or not really? I guess not. Not a whole lot of commentary, huh, Maria? You gonna read it? Reread? Do you have any thoughts on the upcoming Dune film? Or the Dune franchise in general?